Well, the advancement of AI technology has brought about numerous benefits to various industries, including education sector. Integration of AI in education has resulted in ongoing debate about future of education and extent to which it can replace educators. Even many universities are banning tools like ChatGPT in the campuses. Even there are reports showing that ChatGPT has passed many academic exams with A plus grade. So AI has certainly reached to the next level where education institutes are fearing that it might reduce down creativity among individuals. However, one must understand that you should use AI tools to improve your productivity and use it as an assistant. So in future, it is going to stay here. AI powered tools are changing the face of the education. It is helping to simplify, automate assessment process as well. One such tool is AI question bank generator. So this tool will help you to define question bank about any subject, any topic based on the difficulty levels. You just need to provide input to this AI tool about the type of question bank required. This will reduce time required for the educators to create quality question bank. It will allow them to focus on other aspect of the job. AI question bank generator can also ensure that questions are of high quality, making the assessment process more efficient, accurate. There is another AI powered tool that is very helpful is AI descriptive evaluation of the answer sheet. So in this context, evaluation of the descriptive answer is a boring task and there is a quality issue. Even there is a bias involved in evaluating those answers, descriptive answers. AI tool can help you to improve accuracy. It can also speed up the evaluation process as well. One more tool that is changing face of the education is AI driven remote exam invigilation process. So AI driven exam invigilation provides flexibility for the students where they can attempt exam from any location in a secure environment. Educators can also keep track on student activity using AI powered video audio proctoring mechanism where there are advanced AI tools available which can help you to recognize face of the candidate. You can also recognize identity associated with the candidate. Even there are some AI powered tools like Synthesia which helps automate video operation process. So if you want to make an educational video, then you can just provide text input to this tool and it will help you to generate video content out of it. So you can easily generate videos in 120 plus languages using this tool. So your e-learning content creation can be on the fast track using such AI powered tools. But you need to understand despite these advantages, AI has got its limitation. AI cannot replace human connection, empathy that is so important in learning process. Educators bring unique human touch to the classroom that cannot be replicated by the technology. So this human touch is crucial for creating supportive and engaging learning environment and helping students to develop the skills and knowledge which is essential to succeed in the real life. While AI may not replace educators, but it can play a very crucial role in enhancing the learning experience. AI can be used as an effective tool to support educators, providing the useful data and insight help to improve student performance. For instance, AI-powered tutor can help students to improve their outcome up to 25% according to recent study. AI tool can also be used for personalized learning, increasing engagement, providing real-time feedback. Integration of AI in education has got potential to bring its significant benefit. It is definitely not going to be replacement for educators. So future of AI in education will be of collaboration between technology and human expertise. So it is crucial that we never forget the importance of human touch in the classroom, that we use AI as an effective tool to support educators rather than trying to replace them. Technology will continue to play increasingly important role in the education, but it is essential that we strike a right balance between technology and human expertise. So definitely AI tools are going to stay here and it is not going to replace educators, but it will help or it will provide assistance to improve productivity. It can also help you to improve creativity. Your knowledge, your horizon can also be improved with the help of AI tools. So it is the right time where education institutes should embrace AI tools rather than focusing on some other aspect related to negativity associated with AI tools. We at Eklavvya have been working with many education institutions and our AI powered tools like auto descriptive evaluation of the answer sheet, even AI remote proctoring, as well as AI question bank generator has been effectively used by many education institutions with success. So if you are looking forward for adoption of various AI tools and if you want to simplify mechanisms related to educational processes or assessment process, then you can connect with us for it.